Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing both devices. First, enable your phone hotspot and note the exact SSID and password so you can type them on the TV. Make sure mobile data is active and the phone is plugged in if tethering drains battery quickly. Once done, on the Samsung TV navigate to Settings, then General, then Network and choose Open Network Settings to begin the wireless connection flow. This places the TV into the list of nearby Wi-Fi networks, so you can select your hotspot next. Now you'll find the hotspot in the TV's wireless list. Locate the SSID you set on your phone and highlight it. Next, enter the password exactly as configured. Passwords are case-sensitive, so use the on-screen keyboard deliberately. After submitting credentials, the TV will attempt authentication and request an IP. Make sure DHCP is selected unless you need a static address for special routing. If the TV shows connecting, give it a few moments because authentication and IP assignment take several seconds. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a streaming app or check network status on the TV to confirm internet access. If it doesn't work, forget the network on the TV and re-enter credentials. Once done, reboot the phone hotspot and the TV and try again. Make sure the phone's hotspot band, too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz is compatible with the TV, and verify you haven't hit carrier tethering limits. If problems persist, temporarily disable AP isolation on the phone or enable mobile hotspot visibility, so the TV can negotiate the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.